Hello everyone, I am Shekhar Thakur, working as a chemistry teacher at Cambridge International School, Dusua. In the previous topic, we have done chemical formulae. What in the chapter the particulate nature of matter, we have left one topic, diffusion and evaporation. So I am going to start diffusion and evaporation from chapter 1. Diffusion. Diffusion is the process of a substance spreading out to evenly fill its container or environment. In a solution, a concentrated solute diffuses to spread evenly in its solvent. This is the process where the particles move from higher concentration to the lower concentration.
Topic: diffusion. Why can we smell hot food from a distance?
Huh?
Hey, looks like you have lost your way.
No, I know the way.
Fine, don't listen.
Huh?
See, I told you. Now listen to me. There is a restaurant next to your house where hot sizzling food is available, right?
Oh yeah! Yummy!
Follow its smell and you will reach home.
Yippee! I have reached home!
Do you know how the smell of that food reached you? When food gets cooked, it releases some aromatic gases into the air. The molecules of these gases spread and mix with air molecules. When this air reaches our nose, we get the smell of food. This process of spreading and mixing of a substance with another substance is called diffusion.
But then, why couldn't I smell the food inside my house from a distance?
This is because that food had become cold. On heating food, the molecules of its aromatic gases gain kinetic energy and start vibrating faster. Hooray! They spread and mix easily into air, leading to an increased rate of diffusion. As the food gets cold, the temperature of the aromatic gases decreases. The kinetic energy of molecules decreases and they do not vibrate as much anymore. Thus, the rate of diffusion decreases and we cannot smell the food from a distance.
Hello everyone, I am Shekhar Thakur, working as a chemistry teacher at Cambridge International School, Dusua. In the previous topic, we have done chemical formulae. What in the chapter the particulate nature of matter, we have left one topic, diffusion and evaporation. So I'm going to start diffusion and evaporation from chapter 1. Diffusion. Diffusion is the process of a substance spreading out to evenly fill its container or environment. In a solution, a concentrated solute diffuses to spread evenly in its solvent. This is the process where the particles move from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Third factor, a decrease in humidity. If the amount of water in the air is already high, the rate of evaporation decreases. Humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the air. Last factor, an increase in wind speed. With the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor move away with the wind, decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surrounding. Means if the wind speed increases, evaporation also increases. Interconversion of solid, liquid and gas. When solid convert into gaseous state, that process is known as sublimation, and when gas convert into solid state, it is also known as sublimation and deposition. When solid convert into liquid state, that is known as melting, and when liquid convert into solid, which is known as freezing. When liquid convert into gas, which is known as vaporization, and the gas convert into liquid, which is condensation. Now questions related to this topic. Define diffusion, explain diffusion with the help of activity, explain interconversion of solid, liquid and gases, define evaporation, explain the factors of evaporation with examples. You can also visit www.khanacademy.org. You may take a printout of this worksheet and complete work given in a worksheet in a notebook. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.